is the East Bank Public Road. It's not quite that busy, but yeah, let's go, guys. So riding is quite a little dangerous, but I decided to take the challenge, so yeah, let's cruise and let's go, baby. Quick update, guys. Now making my way to the Demerara Harbor Bridge. This is Pakistan. Sorry if the camera is shaking a little bit, but yo, I'm freehanding this shit. I'm freehanding this shit, guys. So yeah, this is the crossover. That's the Demerara Harbor Bridge over there, bro. Yeah, you can see it. So we're passing Nandi Park on the left. Yeah, guys. You can see the Princess Hotel on the left coming up. Princess Hotel. Or the Ramada Princess, yes. The Ramada Princess Hotel. Making my way just a little past that. You can see the National Stadium on the left. This is the National Cricket Stadium. See them guys playing a little cricket in them one. But yo guys, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, man. I would really, some guys playing a little cricket in there. Up. Yeah, alright guys, still going strong. Making my way to Prospect now. And then Diamond after that. I think Little Diamond, then Diamond. Then Grove. But yo, the road is not that busy, man. I'm cruising, baby. I'm cruising, nigga. So let's go. Look how beautiful Guyana is, man. Yes, sir. Remember that sign, guys. Stay safe. Hey guys, so we're making our way to Great Diamond right now. This is what it looks like, man. I'm cruising. Dude, like, I haven't gone for a run in a while, so I think this ride would like definitely, you know, get me started again to go out and start running, because I haven't even trained next week in 5 times, so yeah. More close up view. Boom. Diamond, guys. Still going strong. Factory over there. Damn, bro. Welcome to Diamond. Guyana gas station. man. Hold on. Boom. So as you can see, man, finally made it to Friendship. Sure. Got a little way more. We're gonna go about 5 minutes. 5 minutes more. And yeah, my journey is complete. Boom, guys. So after about 6 minutes more riding, finally reached the primary school. Yeah, man. Boom, guys. Look how beautiful it is, man. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm here cruising. What is this? Yes, sir. Boom, guys. How beautiful it is, man. This is where I'm gonna stop. Show you guys. Friendship, guys. So this is the beautiful Demerara River and thing there. You know, nice, guys. Nice. Water isn't that rough. It's a little calm. This is the Friendship Public Road. You can see right down here. Friendship. That's my whip. Nice. So it's beautiful, guys. Right in. I ride this from Georgetown. So I rode from all the way from Georgetown to up here. It took me about an hour. Depends on the rate you're riding at. I was riding fast as fuck, no cap. So yeah, man. If you guys decide to do this, make sure you guys be safe. And yeah, man. Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've made it to this part of the video, you're a real one. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, share it, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.